Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the map light on my 2006 Toyota Corolla. They call them those because people used to look at maps with them. This should be the same process on the 2003 to 2008 years and similar on the other Toyota models. So yeah, it's not too bad of a process. Let's take a look here at the tools we're going to need. I have a pair of needle nose pliers with some duct tape wrapped around them at the end to help protect the bulb and also get a better grip on it. If you don't have a pair of needle nose pliers, you could also use a pair of tweezers to do this and use the same setup. And then I have a plastic screwdriver here so I don't scratch the plastic when we take off the cover there. But if you don't have a plastic screwdriver, you can use a regular one. Just be careful not to scratch the plastic. So let's take a look here. We're going to go ahead and use the plastic screwdriver to get off the cover. And forgive me, I'm doing this one-handed, but there's a little slot back there where you can fit the plastic screwdriver into, and we're going to go ahead and do that now. Let me just try to get the phone positioned in a way I can do this. The tripod wouldn't fit in here. Okay, so it just comes off pretty easy. Once you get it in there, it just kind of pulls right off. Let's go ahead and set this to the side. And again, that's why if you do use a metal one, you just got to be careful not to scratch it. There's the bulb in there. For those of you wondering, the bulb is a Sylvania 194. You can find these online or in stores. They're a common enough bulb. You should be able to get a hold of it pretty easily. But now we're going to use our needle nose pliers. We're going to get a hold of the bulb and just gently rock it back and forth. You don't want to put a lot of pressure. You don't want to break the bulb. So yeah, we're just gonna, that tape will help grip it too in order to kind of, gently rock and back and forth until eventually it does come out. So it's not the greatest design. This is probably the toughest part of the process. So we'll just grip a hold of it here and then gently rock it back and forth like so, and see if we can get this out here. And there it comes. Now, this was a little easier for me because before the video, I loosened this up enough to where you guys wouldn't have to watch me for the, roughly 3 minutes it took to get this out. But, take your time, be patient. It's not going to come out most likely as easy as what you just saw here. It's going to take some more time. Yeah, this bulb's working. I can put this one back in, but this is where you would replace it with your new bulb. There is a certain orientation that the bulb does have to go back into the socket. So we're going to make sure that that gets lined up correctly. Let me get a better look now. So here, if you look inside here, that's what it looks like. You can see the two gold contacts back there. And if you take a look at the bulb here, you can see that that flat part has to line up with those contacts. All right, guys, so when you do put the bulb back in, just line up the flat part of the bulb with the gold contacts back there and then just push it into place like so. Be gentle, but just make sure it seats all the way into place. And once you've done that, we can go ahead and test the light here really quick and make sure that it works, and it does. So from here, we're going to go ahead and put the cover on next. All right, guys, so to get the cover on, pretty straightforward. You just put those hooks on the side in first like so, and then the rest will just gently snap into place. It doesn't take much, and that's it. Job completed. It's not too bad of a job. The hardest part is getting that bulb out. It does take some time. You just got to be gentle with it and be patient, and it will come out, and that duct tape kind of helps get a little bit better grip on the bulb and enables it to come out a little easier than without it. So, but I think the key here is patience and take your time. It unfortunately was not the greatest design. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate you guys. I hope you liked the video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a good one.